like happens and how it is.
Very hot. Very cold.
Earth is sometimes cold and sometimes
Rainy.
hot, and you don't know the curriculums of everything. The weather changes every time, and we
Never
live on it
know.
because it has a lot of ozone and something that we can live on it. So for the fourth one, we have Mars. Mars is the nearest to Earth. It's about a lot of like Mars is the closest to Earth, and scientists have went to Mars long time ago. Do you know? Oh, okay. Fun fact: Valentina Tereshkova is the first woman ever to reach Mars. Her dream was to go on Mars, and then she was the first woman to go on Mars. Okay, now back to our story. So Mars is actually also a hot planet. So there's hot planet and cold planet. Well, Earth is both of them, so we can live on it. Okay, so Mars is a hot planet because of the core. The core is too deep, and then if we deep down, we could just be burned by all of the volcanic ashes and all the other stuff too. Okay, so now we're going to go to the fifth planet. The fifth planet is Jupiter. Jupiter is the biggest of all. And you know something interesting? Fun fact, scientists say that from 2045 or 2065, they maybe can find out can we live in Jupiter or not, because they say that the world is overpopulated because there are 7.3 billion people living on this earth. That's why it's overpopulated. It just have to be 5 dot how many billion, I don't know, but now it have reached the limit of 7.3 billions. Now there's 7.3 billion people living in this world. According to Wikipedia, people say that for like the 2100 or something, the government would start killing people randomly. But too bad that I thought it was real, but it's actually just a rumor. So now we're going to go to the sixth planet, which is Uranus. Uranus is a cold planet, which is a good planet to live in, but scientists say that it's dangerous to live in. If you went there without a spacesuit for at least 1 or 2 minutes, you will directly die. But unlike the other planets, if you went there for like a second, you could just die. But in Uranus, you could just stay there without a spacesuit for 1 or 2 minutes because it has it's cold, not hot like the other planets. For the sixth planet is Saturn. Well, Saturn is now the planet with the ring around. The ring around with the planet is because of the multipolism. Multipolism is actually the stuff and the stuff with the core thing that wraps around the planet. So Saturn is a little rare because the other planet doesn't have the ring around. So that means that it's a really rare planet to live in. And